Look at this house.
That's not too bad. Yeah. Okay. Made it outside. Okay. So I'm getting the pop-up here. As you can tell. Oh, you can't tell yet, but it's pretty trashy. I got a problem with this pop-up. It's old, as you can tell. It's really old, and it's kind of broken. There's a hole right there. Like, what in the world? I can't deer hunt with this. I'm gonna try to set this thing up. So, let's see how long it takes me. It's 4:18 right now. Probably get done at 5:30. But get this thing up. Oh, this is the top of it. This is a. What are you doing? Get in there. What are you? You're in this spot. Will you stop whipping? Did I tell you to? You know what? And now we're gonna move on to the roof part of this. Right here, the roof. As you can see, if I was a duck, I'd be sitting right there. Would they see you? Yes, they would. So we got this mesh. Zip time. Got it zip tied in all the things. Let's go inside and look. Just got it all zip tied up. Got one here, one there, Yeah, all over the place. So, I think now I'm gonna cut a shooting thing and all of them. Everything I'm gonna cut a shooting thing. So, y'all stay tuned and I'll show you all that. Walking in, just got them all done. I got it a little closed up, but there's one, there's one, there's one, there's one. It's just a little one. You want to shoot him, boom. Guess you can open that up. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. I know it wasn't the same, okay? But you'll see a video. It's gonna be a while before I take this hunting because it's kind of like just in the beginning of summer. But follow the SC Outdoors account, which will be right here. Follow Reed's account, which will be right here, and then follow my account. That will be right here on Instagram. Yeah, turn on notifications, like, subscribe, and peace.